Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure you know the Gmail address and password, and that your iPhone is online. Now open Settings, tap Mail, then Accounts. Once there, choose Add Account if you're adding, or tap the existing Gmail account to modify settings. Make sure you can access two-factor prompts on your device or a backup method, because you'll need to verify identity when re-authenticating or updating passwords. You're now editing the account. Tap the Gmail entry and then Account to View fields. Replace the password or change your display name and description, then hit Done to save. If your account uses Google Sign In, the Mail app will open a Google Webflow, follow prompts, enter credentials, and approve permissions. Once done, Mail will sync messages. Make sure Mail and Notes toggles are set as desired so data synchronizes correctly. Finish by returning to Mail and swiping down to refresh. If messages don't appear, restart the Mail app or the iPhone to force a reconnect. If Sign In fails, open a browser to your Google account on another device and check security right arrow recent activity or app passwords to clear blocks. Make sure two-factor prompts are approved. If you used app passwords or older clients, generate an app password. Otherwise, re-authenticate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.